Hello, dear soul. How are you? There is a void in my heart. There is a permanent void in my heart, my dear. Since the time, since the time you have left me this way, my baby, I always knew, I always knew that you were there. And the way you always used to care, my dear. Was that a lie? Was that a lie that I could see in your eyes, my dear? I think, I wish I had been so wise to know that you are not the one. You are not the one worthy of my love in life, my dear. I surrender and let you go. Look and you will know that who loved you from the start. Love lost, love lost with the heartbreak. Nothing else for just the sake, my dear. It's funny. It's funny that all of the souls in this world knows how I feel for you. But it seems that you are the only one who does not have the clue. I just wanna tell you what everybody knows, and that I love you, my dear. You showed me how it is to be loved. Now I know what really love is. One day we will be together forever, my dear. I can't wait. I can't wait to hold you in my arms again, my dear sweetheart. Thanks for watching.